Hi, I'm going to create a soft, low French roll here on lovely Hannah's hair. I think it would be incredible for a wedding. Yeah, Hannah, you've got such a beautiful blonde colour in your hair, haven't you?
Thank you.
Do you use a lot of heat stylers on your hair?
I do sometimes.
Really?
I am a bit lazy.
Oh, really? Yeah. How have you found using the moisturising shampoo and conditioner?
I find it really helpful. I think it leaves my hair feeling much more moisturised and shiny.
And also, have you been using the deep conditioning mask?
No, I have used it a couple of times.
Yeah.
Kind of both like leaving it in or just having it in for a couple of minutes whilst showering.
Yeah.
But I find it really, really good.
I think this look really suits the middle parting. I think that looks great. So we've got that in there. Now we're going to section off the front. We're going to put the finger just behind the ear like this. Bring our comb down, touch it to the top of the finger, separate it out there. And then when you repeat it on the other side, exactly the same again. You feel the top of your finger and you get exactly the same all the way around. And now the next step we're going to move on to is actually creating some back combing, some lift up in the crown area here. How is your back combing?
What's the best way of doing a back combing?
Well, I'll show you quickly. We'll take a smaller section like this. Very important, really good tension on the hair when you're back combing. You get your comb and you tip it slightly back, okay? And you're building the back combing in the root. You just slowly push the hair down.
Oh, perfect.
See, and you really create that lovely lift. And then you can flip that out of the way and you take your next section. Do you want to have a little go at the next section? So that's great, really good tension, that's it, really build it in there. And another really cool technique, just to lock in your back combing, is actually get a bit of spray. I'm actually just gonna spray the roots. That's great. Now what we'll do is very lightly, just brush over your hair, just to smooth out some of those top sections. Now we're gonna go into the twist at the back. So nice and tight, make sure we keep the body up there. That's it, nice, and we push that up, that's fantastic. Get that grip. Right up and in there.
Straight up.
Yeah, and how does that feel? Does that feel nice and secure?
Oh, yes.
Yeah, that feels great, doesn't it? So
Yeah.
now what we're gonna get a couple of fine pins, and I'll just do the first one for you here, and we're gonna just grab the hair round and lock in to that grip that you've put in there.
So just kind of go from
Yeah,
there.
through and then round and then back in. So now we're gonna roll up this last little bit just into a little bun at the back and just twist it back on itself. That's nice, and create a lovely little bun there. Really wanna make sure that's locked in nicely at the back there. Done a great job there, that's brilliant. So now we're gonna pull these lovely sides around over your little bun at the back. Very simply just fasten them into that. And that is brilliant. I mean, does that feel nice and secure?
Yeah.
We're going to pull the other side over now as well to match in. Can you feel where that goes?
Oh, just here?
Yeah, exactly. That's it. Brilliant. That's absolutely fantastic. You've really got that line in there beautifully.
It looks very nice.
It's lovely, isn't it? Okay, so now everything's secured in place. We've given it a lovely spray. It's looking fantastic. We're gonna just finish the front. Give it a lovely little wave. So just keeping the tongue horizontal, we're just gonna wrap it round slightly and then just release it.
I like the curls up front because then it doesn't look so like...
Yeah, it doesn't bring you down too
okay.
much. We still keep that narrow look, but we get that lovely wave as well, which I really think looks great.